Hi everyone, Imprenta here. Kamusta kayo? Finally, naka-update din tayo ulit sa ating 10,000 notebook goal journey. These CCTV clips of our shop were taken from May 1 hanggang May 6. And honestly, sobrang hectic nitong first week ng May. Halos everyday puro notebook production and shipping orders habang sunod-sunod din yung walk-in natin sa shop. Minsan naabot na kami ng 3 AM bago matapos lahat. Then back to work ulit hanggang maghapon. Aside from notebooks, naging busy rin tayo sa wedding prep printing assistance sa isa nating client. Plus, currently nasa second week na rin ako ng another job hustle every afternoon hanggang 10 PM. Oh, saan ka pa? Pinakyaw ko na lahat. Kaya medyo naging tahimik tayo sa long updates nitong mga nakaraan. Pero kahit sobrang pagod, super thankful pa rin ako kasi productive talaga yung first week ng May. And today, officially naka 1,001 notebooks na tayo. Grabe, parang dati iniisip ko lang yung goal na to. Tapos ngayon nakahit na tayo sa 1K, over 10K. For now, baka weekly muna ang magiging update natin sa ating 10K notebook journey para mas carry natin habang balancing work, business, family, and everything sa life. But don't worry, tuloy pa rin ang daily photo updates natin. And I would like to say thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta, umu-order, nag-share ng videos and like, at naniniwala sa Imprenta. Let's go to 10K notebook goals! So, yan lang. Good night and bye-bye!